I know some time ago I've talked about this Irish gold. This Irish gold, yeah. Let me be sincere with all of you all. For most of us who talked about stretch mark, I don't see no reason why you would neglect this lotion. If you can't afford any other lotion, you can afford this. Now let me tell you some things about this Irish gold. I will read for here so that you go hear me. I will read from here so that you go hear me very well. The formula developed by highly experienced cosmetic chemist. So it's not just a roadside company that did it. It's highly developed by experienced chemists. That is why I say they're so customized in a way that it is very effective. It tones you, and for those of us who've gotten stretch mark already, this cream will fade those stretch mark away. Maybe stretch mark you've gotten by stress, by pregnancy, or by gymming, or I don't know, or lack of collagen, or lack of some vitamins in your body. This, can't you see, it's not the ordinary one. We have the ordinary one. This one is egg yolk. We have the carrot one. This one is egg yolk. Give a try to this for those of us who have stretch mark. This lotion is very, very good for you. Very, very okay for you. Look, and it's original. It's original. Nobody's gonna deceive you. It's original. This lotion is very, very good for you. You can use it to premix. For those who premix, you can use it to premix. And again, it said, let's go say, to treat and help you to eliminate scars and stretch marks caused by aging, pregnancy, and exposure to the sun. Moreover, it is enriched with natural plant extract. Are you getting it? So it's been customized already. It's been customized already. There are some lotions that are not customized. They will be just saying a lot of things, and I've used them. A lot of lotion. I don't want to say. I don't want to make sure name. I don't do that. Are you getting it? But this one is being customized already for those of us who have who have highly, color discoloration or some aging on our body. This lotion is being customized. It removes stretch mark. I've recommended it for a lot of people also. So I'm recommending it to you. Use this lotion. It removes spots because it tones you also. Black spots, it removes them. So, and I would want to add to it, you'll be considering, should I buy it or should I buy from this guy? Or maybe you just come, in as much you are a subscriber, you're one of the subscribers to this channel, I'm telling you, it's guaranteed. Buy it and use it. Are you getting it? It clears every dark spot. As I tell you, constant usage is advised. So go get one of it. For those of us who love promising, it's good. Why not? Do it. I mean, they tell you, do it. Now only you one will still go sharp. All these big names, the one and the sharp. I advise not to go use them. We're not telling anybody. It's all skin type. Are you getting it? If you use this alone, it will tone you. If you promise it, it will tone you. So is it not better? And again, it works for stretch mark. It works for what is it called? All this black egg, like for our body, we will see some spots. Take them off. So use this. Stay tuned. Don't forget, we ship everywhere. We have our logistic company, our cargo company also. Whatever you want us to ship for you, we ship everywhere. You need organic whitening powders, black magic powders, just name them. Real organic powders, we have them also. Orange peel powders, we have them also. Not all those fake powders you guys go buy for them. Let's not talk much, it's okay.